What is what be what you do? Look, it's back. Me. I'm back. And I have a YouTube wrestling figures. This is my GTS Unified YouTube wrestling figures heavyweight championship. But I got Apple Patch with me for my match coming up on June 17th. On June 17th, I'm gonna face Jay. I'm gonna face Jay Evans and Thomas. I'm gonna face Jay and Thomas on me. I'm gonna beat Chicken. I'm gonna beat Chicken Prince Chest. Jenny Key Evans. He has a YouTube channel. He cashing in. Or told me, I just watched on YouTube. I watched Jay Evans because I ordered something for me. I'm gonna buy a security cameras from Jay, Derek, to nobody, cause Jay. I want a shot. Your YouTube wrestling figures heavyweight championship. Listen, I'm on my phone right now. Record myself. Jay, I put the fridge PPV on June 17th. I'll be there. Graham, I will tell Graham about this. I would tell Graham about it. This is my YouTube wrestling figures here, chicken. Cause I'm home with mom. I just got home from mom's. Well, I had a bacon cheeseburger from yesterday, which is 8, and we forgot a haircut. Wait, maybe a car down. The haircut place. I'm getting myself a vehicle and give myself a haircut like Jenny Key Evans. Not Evans. E-V-E-N-S. It's not. It's Jaythekeyevans. Evans. Because I'm getting two t-shirts from Jenny Key Evans. It's coming back tomorrow. I'm getting that. I'm gonna wear that for school. So all my friends to wear. And thank you. I see you guys tomorrow at school recording. Guys, leave comments below. Go to my channel, subscribe, turn my little bell, you're missing my uploads. Thank you guys for watching. Every time that, we got videos for you. Eat it, yeah!